In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen looks at spinal cord injuries.
The spinal cord is the bundle of nerves and nerve fibers that send and receive signals from the brain to the rest of the body. Serious injury to the spine can be life-changing.
Spinal tumors within the spine can be both cancerous or benign. Benign tumors are very common within the spine. They can come from the covering of the spinal cord, they can come from the covering of the nerves themselves, or they can come from other elements within the spine. More cancerous tumors within the spine come from within the nerve tissue itself, and those tumors can be more challenging to treat and cure because of their cancerous nature.
This damage can disrupt communication between the brain and the body, leading to a range of physical, emotional, and cognitive changes.
The ones that we see most commonly come from the covering of the spinal cord, or the covering of the nerves, or they come from within the spinal cord itself. Those are the ones that we see most commonly. And the spinal cord controls your sensory and motor functions to your extremities, to your arms and legs. And so if you have weakness in both legs, then oftentimes that can indicate some compression or a spinal tumor, something pressing on the spine or causing spinal dysfunction.
Spinal cord injuries can happen after a car accident, a fall, gunshot wound, herniated disc, and surgical complications. Treatment usually involves a multidisciplinary approach, including medical, surgical, and rehabilitative interventions.
Oftentimes, they're less of a threat to your life, more of a threat to your function. So, preserving that neurological function, that spinal cord function, can sometimes be challenging with cancerous spinal tumors. And so, the goal is to be able to treat that while minimizing any kind of damage to the spinal cord itself from your treatments.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.